Sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. CPM machine after knee replacement. Using a continuous passive motion (CPM) machine right after knee surgery can help with early pain and stiffness, but may not improve long-term motion. CPM machines can keep patients from doing active therapy, which may slow their recovery if used too much. Studies have found no significant difference in overall outcomes between patients who use CPM and those who do not. While CPM may have some psychological benefits, it does not significantly impact long-term recovery after knee replacement surgery. CPM is not as widely used today as it once was, but some surgeons still recommend it in specific cases. CPM can also be used after other joint surgeries like hip, elbow, shoulder, and wrist procedures, but the benefits are not always clear. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs.